What's going on, team? For you deep researchers out there, phenomenal book recommendation, Earth Under Fire. Now, while I'm scrolling through the table of contents and talking about the chapter that I'm going to be reading from today, which is the galactic connection, the galactic center indicators, and asking the question, was the galactic center visible in ancient times? Make sure that you all are paying attention to this table of contents because there are some fire things to come back and revisit to for your research notes later. This stuff always trips me out. I chose chapter 2 because it talks about how modern astronomers to this day need infrared detectors, specialized telescopes, liquid nitrogen cooling systems, and advanced signal processing just to locate the center of our galaxy. Yet, according to this book, ancient civilizations from thousands of years ago somehow knew exactly where it was. An observer gazing at the Milky Way in the general direction of the galaxy's center would not discern any particular bright object that might lead him to think he was viewing the center of the galaxy. Instead, all that is visible is a diffuse band of starlight that appears particularly bright over a stretch of 80 degrees of galactic longitude. Now, by making a long exposure camera photograph of the Scorpius-Sagittarius region, such as that shown in figure 2.5, one can begin to see that there is something special about this part of the sky. Such a photograph offers a tremendous improvement over what would be seen with the naked eye, for even without the aid of a telescope, a camera can record stars 1,000 times fainter than the faintest stars visible to the human eye. As seen here, the galaxy's 12,000 light-year diameter central bulge appears as a roughly elliptical region of illumination. Still, the galactic center evades detection in such photographs. As of recently as 1963, y'all, the astronomer Walter Baade attempted to photograph the galactic center using a 200-inch telescope. Although he used red-sensitive photographic plates and allowed exposure times of up to 7 hours, the center remained hidden. He did all this using advanced modern equipment, such as radio and infrared telescopes. Astronomers eventually succeeded in locating the galactic center, yet our ancient predecessors also knew its location by some means. So we used all this technology to find the center location of the galaxy, and the ancients knew it thousands of years ago. Concepts symbolically encoded in astrology and conveyed in the constellations and their associated myths indicate an advancement in physics and astronomy that rivals that of the 21st century science. Is this knowledge that was consciously acquired through labors of scientists living in advanced prehistoric civilization that once populated Earth? Is it information that was obtained through an inner channel of intuition or through psychic contact with spiritual beings? Or was this knowledge brought to us by visitors from another star system? Beings who had access to radio telescopes and sensitive electromagnetic wave detectors capable of image and arc-shaped radio emitting structures hidden near the galactic center, and of discovering the Leo